Good morning, friends. We are starting another day of learning, and I hope you're as excited as I am today. We'll start with our Would You Rather question. Our question today is, would you rather only be able to whisper just a little bit around everyone? Or would you rather really talk in a loud voice but could never be quiet? Which one would you rather do? Would you rather whisper all the time? Or would you rather have a huge loud voice all the time? Stop this video right now. Talk to someone about it. Think about what life would be like if things were like this. How could people hear you? They would be answering. They would be saying, "Hey, can you speak up a little bit?" Or, you know what? I think that you're just a bit too loud. Can you tone it down a little bit? What would life be like if people were saying that to us all the time? Okay, boys and girls, let's start our morning today. We are going to start with our months at the very beginning of the year, which is coming up because we are almost at the very last month of the year. And do you know what that last month is? You got it, December. So let's start with our first month of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and November, December. Okay, we got this. Let's do our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday's the last day, and now we know them all. Today is what day? Starts with an F. Friday. Yesterday was, starts with the TH. Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Okay, our day today is 27, which is a really large number. We will have one more day that we'll be doing in November, and that will be on Monday. So we've got a couple of really large numbers here to do for a calendar. Can we do the same thing as we did yesterday and count back from 27? Are you with me? On your marks, get set, go. 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good job, you guys. Let's take a look at our place value. Our number is 27. And so, how many 10s are in the number 27? We've got 2 10s in the number 27. How many 1s do we have? Oh, we have 2 10 blocks to go with our 2 10s. How many 1s do we have in the number 27? 7 1s. And because of that, we've got 7 1 blocks right here. I can count them quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Okay, our number is 27. So let's take a look at our 100 chart. We're going, here we are, we're on the third, 1, 2, 3 line. There's our number 27. Now, we talked a little bit yesterday about our even and odd numbers. And we talked about the pattern of even and odd. because 1 starts with is an odd number, and then 2 is an even. 3 is an odd, 4 is an even. 5 is an odd, 6 is an even. 7 is an odd, 8 is an even. 9 is an odd, 10 is an even number. Now the nice thing, the cool thing about a number chart is that each one of them are in rows of 10. So if we look at our number 1, we know number 1 is an odd number. Guess what? Every single one of the numbers that is below the number 1 is also an odd number. And then if we choose 2, we know 2 is an even number. And as we look down our 100 chart, every single one of the numbers below the 2 is also an even number. And then we go to the 3. 3 is an odd number. And look at this, all the way down the 3, there we go. They're all odd numbers as well. Now, the entire 100 chart is that way. So it makes it a lot easier for you to be able to know what's an even number, what's an odd number. Because instead of knowing, okay, or instead of thinking, I need to know 100 numbers on this 100 chart, which ones are odd, which ones are even. Instead, all you need to do is know 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 4 is even, 5 is odd, 6 is even, 7 is odd, 8 is even, 9 is odd, 10 is even. And then you just look down the entire row, and that entire row is the same as that very first line. They're all either odd or they're all either even. So that's a really tricky way that you can figure it out. We're going to be using some 100 charts this week, so you'll get to know the 100 chart a little bit better. We also have our 10 frames here. We know 10 frames have how many counters in them? We know they've got 10. We've got 2 counters with 10, 10, 20. We've got this counter here at the bottom. We know that it's 10 if it's filled up. So if we were thinking about subtraction and we were thinking, well, I know that this is 10 and it has 3 missing. So if we're going to do a subtraction question, we would do 10 minus 3 is what? Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, we've got 7 that are here. So altogether, 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 7 is 27. Okay, I've got a riddle for you, and I'm going to see if you can figure this out before our Zoom class today. Listen to my words. What am I? I have 3 corners. I am the shape when you put your hands on your hips. I am also the shape of half of a sandwich. What am I? Okay, I'm going to say this one more time, and you can practice by putting your hands on your hips to see what kind of shape it is, or get somebody else to put their hands on their hips. I'm going to read this one more time. I have 3 corners. I am the shape when you put your hands on your hips. I am also the shape of half a sandwich. What shape am I? Okay, friends, I can't wait to hear what your answers are today at Zoom. Now, welcome to our day today. Today is today is Friday, November the 27th, 2020, and it's going to be a wonderful day. Can't wait to see you. Have a fun day. Bye for now.